For any organization to flourish, quality and customer satisfaction remains the topmost priority, and it should never be compromised. Through prolonged efforts, the central government is ensuring harmonious development of the activities of standardization, marking and quality certification of goods and services connected with people. Following the footprints of the One Nation, One Standard mission, the Research, Design and Standard Organization of Indian Railways has become the first institution to be declared Standard Development Organization under the Bureau of Indian Standards. This initiative has blazed a trail for all the leading research and standard development organizations in the country to follow and adopt world-class standards. First of all, let's get to know more about Bureau of Indian Standards. BIS is the National Standard Body of India, established under the BIS Act 2016, and is responsible for providing traceable and tangible benefits to the national economy in several ways. These include providing safe, reliable, quality goods, minimizing health hazards to consumers, promoting exports and imports, substitute and control the proliferation of varieties through standardization, certification and testing. It is worth noting that to attain the One Nation, One Standard vision of the Government of India, the Bureau of Indian Standards has launched a scheme that provides for recognition of standards developing organization. With the help of this scheme, BIS aims at aggregating and integrating the existing capabilities and dedicated domain-specific expertise available with various organizations. It also enables the convergence of all standard development activities in the country, resulting in one nation standard for one subject. Now let's get to know more about the Research, Design and Standards Organization and its formulation procedures. RDSO is the sole research and development wing of the Ministry of Railways, situated in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. It is one of India's leading standard formulating bodies undertaking standardization work for the railway sector. In the process of recognition, RDSO reviewed its formulation procedures and realigned them with the best practices of standardization. After reviewing the standard making procedures of RDSO, Bureau of Indian Standards has granted recognition to the organization on 24th May 2021 as Standard Developing Organization. The scope of its recognition is Standards Developing Organization for products, processes and services for the railway transportation sector in India. This recognition is valid for 3 years and will require renewal after completion of the validity period. Now let's get to know about the benefits offered by standardization. Some of the major benefits that will flow out of this recognition include larger participation of industry technology developers, increased competitiveness amongst vendors, reduction in cost, improvement in quality of product and services, smooth induction of latest evolving and emerging technologies, reduced dependence on imports, thrust on Make in India initiative, improvement in ease of doing business and integration with global supply chain or global trade. Moreover, in the process of standard making, greater emphasis is laid on maintaining transparency, openness, impartiality, effectiveness, coherence and development dimension. Further, such standardization initiatives help in providing an opportunity for greater participation of all stakeholders in the formulation and implementation of national standards, thus creating brand India identity for the quality of the product manufactured in the country. It's time to make India the leader in establishing global benchmarks in setting standards. The strength and character of a nation is often exemplified by the standards it sets for the quality of its products and services. And now it's time for India to settle for nothing less than the best. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.